Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Bluetooth permissions for Fitbit mobile sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Bluetooth permissions for Fitbit mobile sync, start by accessing your smartphone settings. Open the settings menu on your device. Scroll down and locate the option for apps or applications. Tap on it to see the list of installed applications. Find and select the Fitbit app from the list. Once in the app settings, look for permissions or app permissions. Tap on it to view the different permissions granted to the app. Check for the Bluetooth permission option. Ensure that the Bluetooth permission is toggled on, allowing the app to use Bluetooth. If it is disabled, toggle it to the on position. Next, return to your home screen and open the Fitbit app. Sign in to your Fitbit account if you're not already logged in. Once logged in, make sure that your Fitbit device is turned on. You may need to turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone as well. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. Tap on the Bluetooth icon to enable it if it is off. After ensuring Bluetooth is enabled, return to the Fitbit app. Follow the prompts to sync your Fitbit device with the app. The app will search for your Fitbit device. Once found, your device will connect automatically. If you followed these steps correctly, your Fitbit device should now sync with your mobile app successfully. If you encounter any issues, verify that your device's Bluetooth settings are still enabled. Additionally, check for any app updates in the App Store, as these may resolve connectivity problems. Keep your smartphone and Fitbit device close together during the sync process for better connectivity. If necessary, restart your smartphone and the Fitbit device to refresh the connection. With these steps, your Bluetooth permissions for Fitbit mobile sync should be properly enabled. Enjoy tracking your fitness activities with your synced data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.